Hello dear friends, welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry Laboratory. Today we are going to deal with identification test. Myself lecturer Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, MPharm in Quality Assurance. Let's start with identification test. Now we move towards experiment number 20. Title of the experiment: to perform and report identification test on given sample of magnesium sulfate as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. First of all, we see learning objective. After watching this video, student will able to learn intellectual skill to understand the concept of experiment and motor skill to identify the physical property, to observe the solubility in water and different solvent, and to observe the precipitation form in the test solution. Now, concept regarding the identification test. First is organoleptic description. It involves the information about color, odor, taste and nature. Then solubility, we have to check the solubility in different solvent, that means in water and in 95% alcohol, and these are the descriptive terms which are applicable for approximate volume of the solvent per gram of solute. Then proposition 3, identification test. These are the tests to verify that the article being examined is in accordance with the label on the container. Failure of an article taken from the labeled container to meet the requirements of prescribed identification test indicated that the article may be mislabeled or substituted. These tests are not necessarily sufficient to establish absolute proof of identity. And pharmaceutical category, it is a osmotic laxative and used in the treatment of electrolyte deficiency. Now, general concept structure. First of all, we have to perform description of the drug, then move towards solubility in different solvent, then identification test as per IP. After performing all of these three tests, we know that whether the compound complies or does not comply the test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. Now, apparatus required for the practical: glassware, test tube stand and graduated pipette. Chemical: alcohol 95%, magnesium sulfate, barium chloride, iodine solution, stannous chloride, dilute ammonia, lead acetate solution, dilute hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide solution, ammonium acetate solution, ammonium chloride, disodium hydrogen phosphate, and titan yellow. Now for the actual practical, we move towards laboratory. Welcome dear student in our pharmaceutical chemistry lab. Today we are going to deal with identification test. First, now our next experiment is experiment number 20, identification test for magnesium sulfate. Let's start with practical. Title of the practical is to perform and report identification test on given sample of magnesium sulfate as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. First of all, let's start with our procedure description. This is our sample, which is white color crystalline powder. It is colorless, white and odorless. Now check the solubility. Now let's start with solubility. Take sample, then add water and check the solubility. In water it is freely soluble. Then check solubility in alcohol. In alcohol it is practically insoluble. Now let's start with identification test. First test: dissolve 0.5 gram of sample in 2 ml of water. Now add 1 ml of dilute ammonia solution. Check it properly. A white precipitate is produced. Now this white precipitate is reprecipitated by ammonium chloride, 1 ml of 2 molar ammonium chloride, which is freshly prepared. The precipitate is reprecipitated by addition of ammonium chloride. Now in this we have to add 1 ml of 0.25 molar disodium hydrogen phosphate. White crystalline precipitate is produced. Now next test, take sample, dissolve it in water, prepare aqueous solution of given sample, then add 0.2 ml of T10 yellow color, yellow solution. And add 0.5 ml of 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide solution. A bright red precipitate is produced. Next test, take sample, add 5 ml of water, and 1 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid. A white precipitate is produced immediately after addition of dilute HCl. Next test, take sample, then add 5 ml of water and lead acetate solution, 2 ml of lead acetate solution. A dense white precipitate is produced after addition of lead acetate. Next test. This is the solution which is obtained from test C. In this solution, the yellow colored suspension is remain constant. For decolorization, it by adding stannous chloride solution. In this solution, we have to add stannous chloride solution dropwise. There is decolorization of yellow color. After performing the practical, we got observation. First, description, nature, crystalline powder, color, white or colorless, odor, odorless. That means it complies the test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. Then second test, solubility in water. It is freely soluble, and in alcohol it is practically insoluble. That means it complies the test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. Then third test, identification test. Test A gives a white precipitate is produced. That means complies the test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia for magnesium ion. Then test B, a bright red precipitate is produced, that means complies the test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia for magnesium ion. Then test C, a white precipitate is produced, that means complies the test as per IP for sulfate ions. Test D, the yellow color discolorized by addition of stannous chloride, that means complies the test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia for sulfate ions. And test E, a white precipitate is produced, that means complies the test as per IP for sulfate ions. Result, the given sample of magnesium sulfate complies the test A, B, C and D for identification test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. On ionization, magnesium sulfate gives magnesium and sulfate ions. Pharmaceutical category is osmotic laxative and it is used in the treatment of electrolyte deficiency. Thank you dear student for attending the practical session. Thank you.